Whoa, okay. It's just, we're good. I just gotta tip it a little. Okay, and is anything gonna fall off? Okay. Oh God. Okay. That's it. That's the final step. My desk PC is done. 8 drops of PT-New copper sulfate. We are biocided up. Little bit more water to top it up. That's it. Let's go. Oh, I'm so excited. Because not only am I getting my new desk today, I am getting a whole new setup. New monitor, new peripherals. I'm stoked. Are you having poor quality video meetings? Use Glasswire and instantly see what apps are wasting your bandwidth during your meeting and block them. Get 25% off today using offer code Linus at the link down below. We good?
Yep.
You good? Oh God, it's hard to lift that high. How are your shins doing? Okay, where's the step? There it is. Okay,
The edge.
hold on, I fell off the step.
Don't do that. Watch the edge.
Okay, I'm good.
Oh, the other
Oh,
edge.
God.
Come on, Linus.
Ah!
How are we gonna get in the?
Yeah, which door is this going in?
We should have thought this through.
This is not like drama played up for the camera. Actually, our doors are really thick. Hold on.
They can't. No, not a chance.
I'm,
No.
huh?
Okay, if I did my job right, this will be 32 inches, which it is. And
Whoops.
this is, okay, we're gonna go from the bar, which is like the tightest point, like 32 7/8.
Okay.
I don't know, man.
I think we're gonna make it.
I give it a 50% chance.
I think we're gonna make it.
Okay. We're gonna have to
50%.
we're gonna have to lift it up over that foot.
50%'s a pass in many programs.
But is it though?
Yeah. Would you want your pharmacist to know what drugs do 50% of the time? Ooh, hold on, wait. Did not consider the lifting mechanism in our width measurement.
No, no dice, dude.
No, hold on, maybe we could, is it past?
Well, almost.
Oh no, it's
No,
not gonna
no,
make it. Oh, crap. Okay, wait.
We gotta go all the way to 101.
What? No, we don't. No, we don't. No.
What, are we gonna use another door? They're all the same size.
We can go in there. One of the hidden tricks of the short circuit set is that bookshelf is actually on wheels so that we can open up the bay door and bring through like a pallet if we really needed to.
Let me in.
Here we go.
Do we wanna swap you out for a stunt double to go up the stairs?
I didn't say I can't do it. Is that a challenge?
Yes.
I got this. Stunt double. Rude.
Hey man,
Hey, James.
it's not a dig on you.
Speaking of stunt doubles, he was a deepfake actor for me once. Hey. Okay, should we actually grab 2 more people though?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Okay, so James and, oof.
Wow. Hey, Linus, how you doing?
Yeah, could you hold the camera for David? Yeah.
Oh, wow. What?
So, just so you know, Colton,
Yep.
there's only one of these in the universe, so
How much is it worth?
please don't break it.
Too much.
Okay.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing that thing where I think all 3 of you have like 90% of it, and I've got like 10.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Can we put it down?
Yep.
Here we go. Last door. Oh shoot, I put my hands right at the very edge. Are we stuck on something? Is this door narrower?
Sure hope not.
Oh. Oh my God, it's so much. Why does it feel like it takes up less space? Is it smaller?
No, it's much larger.
Oh, I guess it's just that it's not so thick.
Yeah.
Like crazy dumb thick. Oh, that's cool.
It's definitely 1C thickness.
Well, thanks for that. Gotta clean this off. You don't mind me being here, do you? Now that it's clean, we can only hold it by the edges, which should be fine.
This is fine.
Oh God, I just put it in my way.
Okay, let's put it down like an inch in,
Uh-huh.
and then we'll drop it and slide it.
Okay.
And then we can touch up any fingerprints on this side.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay. I mean, my side's good, I think. Oh, no, I got one there. Yeah, I'm good. LTTstore.com. Look at that, a cleaning rag you can wear. Oh wow, we're wearing the same shirt.
Oh, well, that's awkward. Someone's gonna have to change.
Oh. We left a Q-tip in.
Crap.
No, I'm not keeping that in there. Also, I need to grab a Sharpie. I scratched the paint a little bit here. Okay. Come here, little Q-tip.
And also maybe make the RGB look good.
Yeah. Hold on. Just gonna. Okay. That made it
No,
worse.
It made it way worse. It popped out.
Hold on. I got the. Is it? Ouch. Is it improved?
It's fine enough for now.
Okay. I mean, hey, if that's all the damage on the way up here,
Good as new.
we're doing pretty well.
Oh, finger.
Oh, finger. Ah. I'm almost as excited about the new monitor as I am about the new desk. I've been saying for a long time that these 48-inch LG OLEDs are just fantastic as a monitor, whether it's for productivity, gaming, whatever. But because I upgraded to two 32:9 displays stacked on top of each other right before these things came out, it felt pretty stupid to immediately upgrade unless I was also making some other changes.
You have to lay it down.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, do we?
Yeah, it's not one that flips in.
Oh, so it isn't. Crap.
Well, I'm glad it's holding all the weight of the TV without collapsing.
Yeah, that's good.
So that's a start, ain't it?
That's an important milestone for our product here.
You need to have it off the end.
Yeah, I think we actually do. need
Okay,
to lay
hold
it
on, I got this.
down. Oh, jeez.
Why don't you just put it on the box?
Yeah.
It's okay, I got it.
Oh, God, Linus.
I will be your table.
I will be your table, baby.
What?
Oh God, it's a lot heavier with that on it.
You got that screwdriver?
Oh, it's in my back pocket.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Okay, yep, that's not uncomfortable. Oh God, it's so much heavier now.
You're gonna have to hold it for a little while there.
I'm gonna put a little bit of the weight on that screw. Man, I'm not even gonna have to game at home anymore. I'll have to stay at the office all the time. Update time. I managed to find a LTT desk pad. And are you ready for that dongle trade?
Yep, there you go.
Okay, the mouse we were using for testing is gonna be swapped out for a Logitech Pro Superlight. The first thing I'm gonna do, okay, hold on, I'm gonna do it now. First thing I'm gonna do.
Oh, monitor's not plugged in yet.
Oh, gosh darn it. Isn't it?
No, I just need the HDMI to...
Oh. First thing I'm gonna do is just slide into my desk and not wang my knees on the super thick thing here. Like I can actually, look at this. I can get the arms of my chair under my desk if I really want to. 4 years. 4 years I've not been able to do that. Oh, watch this, watch this. This is the second thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn my chair and get out of my desk. It was so inconvenient. Okay, let's power it on. Let's see if it made the trip up here. Most to no. Oh. Oh boy. Don't worry, we got this. We got this too.
There's like 3 extensions on that button.
Oh, maybe they just got like
Yeah,
loosened
that's what I'm thinking.
accidentally. Let's have a look here. A quick way to test where the problem lies is to just lift up the glass a little bit and then short these with a screwdriver. Oh, wow. The motherboard is just not starting.
The only thing that I can think of that would be different is I plugged in this cable.
Okay. I unplugged the power, plugged it back in, and it immediately lit up. I'm not complaining, but I'm a little confused. So let's try turning it off then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, power button works just fine. Everything is fine. You look like everything is fine. Look at him.
Do I look like everything is fine?
Yeah, you totally look like everything's fine. Everything's fine. Whee! Are you having fun yet?
So much fun.
Oh, so stressful.
All right, let's do the plug before it gets tucked up against the wall.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, I guess I might as well do networking as well since I'm back here.
Fair, we might as well just cover up that hard-earned LTT logo with the desk pad.
Oh, freaking sick. Oh, so good. We didn't peel the cover on the chipset fan.
No!
We actually have to take the glass off again.
Oh.
That's a vent hole. We actually do have to. I'm sorry. Then I get to play games on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And there we go.
Happy chipset. Oh yeah, make sure that's plugged in.
I mean, this is just routine now. We could do this 6 more times.
All day long.
I cannot express how excited it is for me to be able to actually pull my chair all the way up to my desk. So quiet too compared to the old one. I didn't even notice the noise because it's just not noticeable. Yeah, I can actually hear the HVAC in my office now. It's so quiet. It wants 1.5 gig of VRAM to enable ray tracing. Okay, well, DLSS, I guess. Quality DLSS doesn't quite get us there. No, won't let me do it. Balanced?
Oh, so close.
Really? Performance? Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah, well, I wanted a higher end card. Colin wouldn't let me have it. Oh wow, that done messed it up. Look at that delay. So what are we getting? Like 75 FPS or so? Or anywhere from 75 to 100? Yeah, I think I could get used to this. I don't even want to do real work now. Now I just want to sit at my desk and play video games. Of course, this video is not about what it sounds like. The whole point of doing a final part of this is to really show it off properly. So without further ado, it's Glamtage time. So that's it. We know it took a long time. I know it took a long time. Colin, thank you. I am so happy with my new desk. And I am so happy to tell you about our sponsor. You don't think you need a website, do you? Well, you do. And with Squarespace, you can make it anything you want. They have award-winning templates that will help make your website stand out instead of looking like it's from the 90s. If you're looking to open a business online selling products, they've got you covered there too, with Squarespace allowing you to showcase what you're selling in a modern style. They've got inventory management, there's no limit on how many items you can sell. Even we use Squarespace. Both our LinusMediaGroup.com and LTX Expo websites were built quickly using Squarespace. And I mean quickly, they make it so easy. If it's not easy for you though, don't feel bad. Just reach out to their 24/7 support team and they will be ready to help you out. Go to squarespace.com/LTT and you can get 10% off today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the previous 4 parts where we covered everything from design to part selection to assembly and thermal testing. It was a journey. It took a year almost to the day to go from uploading the first video to assembling it finally. This is awesome!